Hey, what's going on, tubers? It's your boy Superdell, and I'm back with another video to discuss Fire TV sticks. So, if you don't know, this could be the end coming very, very soon, allegedly, from AFTV News that the Fire sticks that are running Android are near an end. So, if you're want to hear my take on it, definitely subscribe to the channel. Also, share this video once it's done. Click the thumbs up, click the thumbs down, whatever you want. Also, hit that bell icon. That way you get notified anytime I release anything on YouTube. So we got a great article here on AFTV News, and I will leave this in the description of the video. But here it says signs point to the end of Android-based Fire TV sticks being just weeks away. Now, again, this allegedly could be the end of Fire Sticks actually running Android. The Fire Sticks could be on life support, okay? And Amazon is getting ready to pull the plug possibly pulling the plug according to this article. So let's get into it. It says Amazon has already said that all future Fire TV sticks will run Vega OS. So it's only a matter of time before the latest Android-based models are replaced. That leaves the Fire TV Stick 4K Plus and the Fire TV Stick 4K Max as the final holdout before Amazon's much-hated new operating system takes over the lineup. Even though the Fire TV Cube is the oldest model in the lineup and therefore seemingly next in line to be replaced, it now looks like Amazon may purge its remaining Fire OS sticks sooner than originally expected. It also says Amazon typically announces new devices in September. So that's next month, guys, because today is what? The 7th of August, 2026. So we got another month, okay? And usually includes at least one new Fire TV model among them. Guessing which Fire TV model would be replaced next used to be as simple as looking at the oldest one, but that hasn't been the case lately. Amazon's eagerness to move the cheapest model away from Fire OS and onto a more restricted Vega OS has pushed the new devices like the Fire TV 4K Select and the Fire TV Stick HD to the front of the release line. So basically, they're really trying to push the Fire TV Select. So if you go to Amazon, you go to Best Buy, you go Target or anything, any of these retail marketplace or stores, you will see that they really want to push it. In my opinion, and this is just my opinion, and I've been saying this for a while, I don't think the Amazon Fire TV will do well in this. Other than Apple TV and what's the name of it? Roku. Other than those two, they're the only ones, or as I should say, they are the devices that came out with a lock-in operating system, meaning you couldn't add anything to them, so you couldn't side load or install third-party applications to those devices. Okay, they have their own lockdown. For whatever reason, I believe Amazon was doing very, very well. Remember, I just did a video last week showing that Amazon was ranked number 2 with most used streaming devices operating system. I believe Google TV, Android TV will surpass them within the next year because of this Vega OS. You don't hear anybody even discussing Amazon anymore unless you get news like this. There's nobody telling you to go out there and go to any of these marketplaces or these retail stores and say, hey, you better go ahead, get that Amazon Fire Stick 4K Select, which all select branding from Amazon is running the Vega OS. How do I know? Because I've been in this for a while, okay? And like he said, the ones that's running Android are not on sale. But the ones that have select, or they putting them on sale. You see the Fire TV Stick 4K Select. I wouldn't get anything HD. I don't care what it is, whether it's on streaming devices, Fire Stick, Roku HD. I think go on, spend the extra coins and get you a 4K. A 4K, whatever it is probably most likely going to have a faster processor, and you're going to have a better experience. All that HD one, that full HD, nah. I mean, I understand why they do it, but if you listening to me, always get you a 4K model. Let that 4K be your base. All right. But as you see on the screen, they are really trying to push these devices. And I'm telling you, I done told Amazon once, I done told them 10 times. Nobody is going to buy that operating system when you lock it down. Once you lock it down, that's it. People are going to move on. And let's just say if Walmart on streaming devices, they go to a lockdown. And guess what? We're going to be on to the next thing. Because there are a lot of devices out here that allow you to sideload. I got one that I'm going to speak about in the next few days. This is the Zadu media player. And this device is truly, truly amazing, as you see right there. And I have another one that's staring right at me. And they are very, very useful. Very, very useful. And I think it's time, even though we off the topic right now, that every household should have a major streaming device that does more things than just streaming. Let me repeat this again. That does more than one thing, all right? It does more than just streaming. Maybe you can select your media player. Maybe you can turn it into a server where you can share it out throughout your home. Maybe you can just add an internal drive to it and save whatever you want to this device. You need something that does more. That does more and give you the bells and whistles, other than some of these devices that only going to let you sideload and stream. It's more to it, but to each his own. I'm just talking to you. Sometimes we got to have that one-on-one talk. And every household need to get a device that does a little bit more than everybody else, okay? That's if the budget is right. I'm not forcing you, but that's if the budget is right. All right, so let's go down to the bottom here. Every Fire TV model except the Fire TV Stick 4K Max is currently on sale. The Fire TV Stick 4K Plus is technically discounted by $10, but this is the first time it has ever gone on sale for so little off. Those are solid indicators that the two remaining Android-based Fire Sticks will be replaced next month by Vega OS models. And we're gonna find out. All right, hold up just a second, guys. I got the sneeze, cough, and everything. It says, I wouldn't be surprised to see if Amazon replace all three existing 4K sticks with the simpler two model lineup that drops the confusing Select and Plus names and bring back the straightforward Fire TV Stick 4K name. Either way, if you're at all in the market for Android-based Fire Stick, it's probably best to pick one up sooner rather than later. I agree with that. Amazon will likely continue selling the current Fire TV Stick 4K Plus and 4K Max while supplies last, even after Vega OS replacements arrive, but the Android era of the Fire TV Stick could be coming to the end, or coming to an end as soon as next month. So again, guys, I just wanted to touch bases with you. This could be it. Android Fire TV sticks that are running Android, other than the Cube, because we really didn't go into full detail with the Cube or what they're going to do with the Cube. Could the Cube be getting replaced? I don't know. To me, the Fire TV Cube was the best device to have because what it's capable of. But if you go over to Walmart for half the price, well, back in the day, half the price, you can get the same kind of features with the ARM, 4K Pro. Well, it was this one at first. It was this one right here. All right, everybody know that lime green before they went to this model. Okay, so that's why the Cube slowed down, because you can get the ARM 4K Pro that do very similar things, and and go from there. But again, I would like to hear from y'all. Honestly, I would like to hear, are you still with Amazon? I know a lot of y'all have moved on, but I know it's still a few of y'all that's out here that actually going to rock the Amazon Fire Sticks that's running Android till the wheels fall off. Again, I would love your thoughts. I would love the detail on what you're going to do. This is Superdell. Again, if you're not subscribed or you like this content, subscribe to the channel. Also share this video because a lot of my videos get shared. Thumbs up the video. Also click that bell icon. That way you get notified anytime I release anything. And I mean anything on YouTube. Again, let me know your thoughts. Do you care? Have you moved on? Better yet, tell me your most preferred streaming device. Maybe that'll be a topic we'll talk about on live. Salute to y'all. Y'all be safe. This is Superdell, and I am out. Peace, guys.